Hello again, friends. Today I'm checking out the wireless lavalier microphone from Comica. This is a CVM WM100 ultra high frequency 48 channel professional omnidirectional wireless lapel microphone. You can hook it up to camera, camcorder, or smartphone. Alright, let's begin the unboxing, shall we? Get this little bit of tape off the top. As always, my friends, I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. You can pick it up off of Amazon for about $190. And this has about a 300, almost 400 foot range as far as being able to pick up the audio and in an unobstructed area. So let's open this up, shall we? Alrighty. So in the box that's that. So pretty sweet little travel case here. Comica really does it right here. So it's got a handy little handle there. Got Velcro on there. You put your handles together. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and undo my handle so I can access that second zipper. It's got two zippers here, one on the top for this little pouch, and that's the one we're going to explore first, my friends. So let's open this up, shall we? Check out what's inside. Alright, so we have three different little pouches here, and they're all individually wrapped. Let's open the first pouch here. It's got a couple pouches in the pouch. Set that down right now. It looks like what we got is, come on little guy, these little bags are cool. Little wind reducer, I believe that's what these are. Looks like a lucky little rabbit's foot, and my goodness, that is soft. Okay, so that goes over the end of your microphone. In here we have what do we got here? We have the lavalier, the microphone. Boy, it's a tiny one. And here is our plug also. It's like a nice, well constructed. Okay, I wonder how long the cords are. I always like to mention how long the cords are because I think that's kind of important. So it's about 5 feet. I have about a 6 foot wingspan, so I'm going to say it's about 5 feet long. Let's get that cord wrapped up there. So that's kind of nice. You get plenty of room to hook that onto your belt, and from the belt, you know, this has a nice little clip on it. Put it right on your shirt or something like that. Okay. Let me get this wrapped up here and back in the little container. Just thought I'd throw that out there. I'll do some more when I do the review. Really check it out, and I try to do a setup video and then the final review as I demonstrate everything. So this one might be a little complicated. Might have a little bit of a learning curve to it. Let's get that going. I try to get that done for you guys though. In the second compartment we have, okay, let's see if we can open up our little baggie here. These little bags are giving me some trouble. Alright, second compartment. Come on. Can't open the bag here. Alright. This is a secondary plug, and this is for, I can't remember what these audio ones are called, but yeah, that's another adapter there, it looks like. Okay, here we go for another little baggie from the second compartment. Lots of little bags here. Okay, my goodness. It's like bulletproof or something. And here is another audio plug. Okay, let's move on to the third one, and there's 2 little bags in this one as well. So all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, in this first one we have come on. Sorry, this is taking so long. These little bags are no joke here. Kind of difficult to get into. Alright, this is there's a little screw. Looks like it's got some kind of an adapter on there so we can mount things maybe on the camera, possibly. And this one we have two little clips. Okay, I'm assuming these will go on the audio relay, and you'll be able to clip this on your belt or something that's going to hold that on there. So that's what those are for, I'm pretty sure. Okay, my friends, that is everything in the front of the pouch. Let's move on, shall we? That was pretty cool. This is like an unboxing inside of an unboxing. Alright, second pouch we have dun, 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 the Comica authorized dealer little card here. Okay, we have a quite thick user manual with a warranty card in the back there in this little bag. We have some silica gel, which we don't want to eat, and we have 2 of these nestled nicely in the gel there, the foam, I'm sorry. Okay, so I believe that little thing we had earlier would screw into the back of this. Okay, you have your output here at the top. I don't think we have any batteries in there. I wonder if these are batteries here on the bottom or not. Try to open this up here. No. No. Alright, I might have to read the instructions and able to accomplish that. Let's see what the other one is here. Are these identical or not? Okay. No. Okay. One is a transmitter. That says the Comica transmitter right there. And this is a receiver. Okay. They do look similar. One's TX for the transmitter, one's RX. And I'm going to have to figure out how to get these, if it's got batteries or something. Let's see. Can't turn it on. Probably have to add batteries, I'm assuming. Okay, that is that. Those are pretty, another nice smooth plastic. Appear to be well constructed. Fairly lightweight, you're not really going to notice them much, so that is that. Alright, I wonder if there's anything in the foam, underneath the foam here. Should I pull the foam out and take a look? There's always a chance there might be some. Nope, that's it, just the little foam in there. So that's pretty cool, very secure, very nice packaging. The case is a nice bonus, because sometimes you'll get something like this. It just comes in a box, and you know, it's just nice to have a case like this. Oh boy, I can't get the foam back in there. Alright, so let's wrap that back up. And that should be about it for this unboxing, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. And I will be coming back with a review and a demonstration as soon as I figure out how to use this. So shouldn't be too difficult. I think some of the Comica stuff's pretty user friendly, so we'll get started on that. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there. Thanks.